Hello there. If you're watching this, that means you've signed up to come to the Skilled Trades College of Canada here at our Barrie location. We ask that you use the entrance you see in front of you and park in the ample parking supplied around the building. So on your first day, when you enter the glory that is the Skilled Trades College of Canada, please check with the teachers that will be at the door to find out what classroom will be your homeroom. So on your first day, please make sure you bring a writing utensil, something to write with, your calculator, safety boots, always a good idea to have. That's the only thing we don't provide as far as safety equipment. We will provide you with a hard hat and a vest, but please bring your own safety boots. Please ensure they have the green sticker with the CSA logo, and if you're an electrician, it's a good idea to have that Omega symbol on there as well, which looks like an orange horseshoe. And let me tell you guys, if you're on time, willing to learn, and give it your all, in 12 short weeks, you'll also be able to build a house like these fine students did. Wow, what a house. So thank you for choosing the Skilled Trades College of Canada. I know that I and the other teachers can't wait to get you in the classroom, get you learning, and getting those skills to pay the bills. Thank you for choosing the Skilled Trades College of Canada, where the future is in your hands.